Today we'll be coloring out the coolest book in the galaxy, Salsa Coloring Magazine. This is not your typical coloring book. It has some of the best-dressed aliens this planet has ever seen. There are a lot to choose from, but we are going to color this handsome alien that is hanging out in a posh mansion. I'm using a basic set of colored pencils today, but I also have a set of pastel pencils, which I'll use for the face. I'll begin by filling in the background with some light neutral tones. I don't want the background to distract from our alien, so I like to keep the colors muted. The great thing about this book is that you can choose any colors you want. Depending on your mood, this same image can turn out totally different depending on the day. I'm in the mood to make this couch a vintage orange color. I use a red color for the shadows and an orange pencil for the highlights. Follow your creativity. This is your chance to express yourself using any colors you want. Nothing feels better after a long day than to sit down and let your imagination fly. Today I decided to do a light tan suit. I used several shades of brown, dark for the shadows and light for the midtones. I also like to use a yellow pencil to add a touch of highlights. Our suit is coming together. The more aliens you color in this book, the better you will get at seeing the different tones and textures that are in the image. You'll also begin to notice your motor skills improving as you develop your coloring muscle memory. I decided to make our tie and vest orange and our shirt a dark blue. Which colors would you choose? Now, for my favorite part, I'm switching to pastel pencils so that I can blend our colors better. But feel free to use colored pencils if you don't have pastels. I start by adding yellow highlights, then I add blue for the shadows, and lastly drop orange for the midtones. Once the colors are down, I use a blending stump to blend them all together. There, now it's looking really good. I really love the way this turned out. Our dapper alien took about 45 minutes to color, and it looks amazing. Who thought coloring an alien would be so relaxing? Thank you so much for joining me, and be sure to tell a friend about what you saw today. See you next time.